So good morning. We are in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's an interesting city. It's really spread out. I think it has a population of around 325,000. I'm going to take a walk down Elm Street and just see what it has to offer. It is Sunday morning, about 11 a.m. Still really quiet. Almost looks like yeah, we could have done without that. Almost looks like an abandoned city, I started to say. So, it's Sunday morning. Last night about 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., I drove through here. And it was lively. Halloween weekend, everybody was out having a good time. My hotel was about 16 miles out of town. I wasn't interested in coming back in and doing the bar scene. There's a few interesting murals around here. We're going to cross over. I think the other side of the road's going to be a little better. I don't know what's going on over here. See, it's pretty cloudy. Coming soon. It's an interesting old building, but I don't know what's coming soon. So last night before I headed to the hotel, I spent about an hour driving around. I mean, this city has a little bit of everything, but it's not walkable. I mean, this trip through here is, but beyond that, the traffic getting in and out was rough. So some nice little shops. Cheesecakes by Alex. The original Methodist cemetery west of Elm and south of Bragg Streets was used for public burials. Okay. Fall in love cocktails. Or fall in love with our cocktails. He got a little early for that. Now we made it to Washington Street. There's a few people out this morning. There's just not really much going on. That's the way most places are on a Sunday morning. People are either in church or hungover or both. I don't know what these are. Huh. Ooh. Tacos, craft beer, burgers. Burgers don't sound bad. Oh, free smells. Elm Street Center. Looks like it's seen better days. Yeah, there's a morning cleanup. You can read that there. We are at Elm and February 1 place. It's quite a interesting name. So as you can see, not super lively. Be honest, there's only one area that was really lively last night. That corner where we looked down at the statue, from that corner, that was the busiest bar that I saw. But from that corner down toward the statue, there was some other stuff. That was the busiest area that I found. I don't know this city at all, so I could have been missing the most important part. It may still be. So as soon as I finish with this video, I am headed to Williamsburg, Virginia. Old Colonial Williamsburg at that. So that should be nice. I'm going to stay there about 4 days. This is one of them. Before here was Charlotte. Before Charlotte was Greenville. Greenville is really nice. I always get asked, what camera do you use? Well, depends on the situation. Right now, I am using GoPro 13. They do best in bright light. They do well in this light, as you can see. So, had GoPro since the GoPro 4. Them back then were not great at all, but they've improved a lot since then. They can improve the low light shooting. That would be a truly amazing camera. Sit-ins launched the National Drive for Integrated Lunch Counters, February 1, 1960, in the Woolworth store 2 blocks south. No, we're not going to go down there. Well, if you like this video, subscribe. Check out the links in the description. Click on the playlist for my Travel America series. Slowly building it. This is only about the, I believe, 5th or 6th video. So many more to go. I think you'll enjoy it. Well, for this street down here, it starts, getting really spread out. That was a short little video. Hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you very much.